One of the most thing that I learned from this journey, from this life is so nakakapagod. Alam mo kung may choice lang to quit, to lose this world, pipiliin ko yun. Kasi sobrang nakakapagod talaga maging tao, maging part ng world na to. Dahil hindi patas yung yung mundo na to. Ang daming mababait, ang daming sobrang hard work, nagsisikap, pero they are nothing eh. Wala hanggang sa mawala na sila sa mundong to. Always pasakit yung nararanasan nila. Kaya hindi patas tong mundong na to eh.